Okay, now let's go to the home page. I don't like this default template that comes with our application. It looks a little bit ugly. So let's find a better template. Our ASP.NET MVC application uses Bootstrap as its front-end CSS framework. So to replace this template, we need to find a Bootstrap template. Head over to bootswatch.com. Here you see a bunch of different templates for Bootstrap. Under Themes, select Lumen. So scroll down. Our navigation bar will look like this. Here we can see the buttons, tables, forms. So nice and clean. Now under Lumen, select bootstrap.css. This is the Bootstrap CSS file, but with modified styles. You need to save this file on the disk, and I would suggest to call it bootstrap-lumen to distinguish from the original Bootstrap file. Then add it in the project under the content folder. So here you see I have both Bootstrap and bootstrap-lumen. Now we need to replace the reference to Bootstrap with bootstrap-lumen. So under app_start, open up bundle config. This is where we define various bundles of client-side assets. For example, we can combine and compress multiple JavaScript or CSS files into a bundle. And this way, we reduce the number of HTTP requests required to get these assets when a page is loaded. And this results in a faster page load. So here you see we have a few bundles, one for jQuery, and inside this bundle, we have the jQuery script. We have another bundle for jQuery validation plugin, and inside this bundle, we have all the files that match this pattern. We have another bundle for Modernizer, one for Bootstrap, and another one for our CSS assets. Inside our CSS bundle, we have Bootstrap and site.css, which includes a few generic styles for our application. Now add -lumen here. Now, because we have modified our C# code, we need to compile it in order to see the changes. So press Ctrl and F5 to compile and run the application again. All right, here's our new homepage with a new look and feel. Now get ready for a quick quiz. I want to test your knowledge about what you have learned in this section.